Hello friends, I wish you are fine. Now I will install my preferred game. It's Majesty. I like it so much. I have played this 3 times and I want to play the game again because it's very beautiful. It's strategy. We see. I have downloaded it. If you see anything, ah, just install it. Now I will install it. It's very beautiful game. I don't know if you have don't I have you have installed it, but I don't know if you have played, but it's very beautiful. I like it so much. It's here. We are waiting. We will install the second part. So we are waiting. We are waiting, and it will finish now. We unselect them because we don't want to. I don't like to open any one of these, and just finish this. These are two. Is full cracked, and you have here all four, and here is another one. We see. I skip them because dead or alive. This is the trailer of the game. It's very beautiful. I use my name to the new profile. So later. Okay, I will check, but no updates. So I see the options. I send all to the high quality because
Ardania.
now start the
Glorious
game.
Ardania. For the last 5 centuries,
In 2022
descendants of the
to
great
play an
king
old game.
have sat upon this throne. Indeed, was the great king our first ruler, who united the lands from the southern seas to the northern fields. He whose blade was the death of 1,000 foes. And each king thereafter followed the tradition, slaying dragons, hunting down necromancers, and exterminating legions of goblins and rats. Thus, each in their time came to be known as great. But our good King Leonard was born to hard times. The necromancers of old had long since been vanquished, and the rats had grown small and pitiful.
We skip this.
And as he grew older, our king...
These are all that I have to unlock.
Good morning, Your Majesty! Still an early riser, I see. I have news, Your Majesty. To develop trade, you need to build the marketplace first. While your peasants are working, send heroes to the port. The Merchants Guild representative is afraid for his safety and refuses to travel alone. The port is located to the northeast of your palace. A new quest for you, Your Majesty.
This is the game. I hope you enjoy. Now here we have to build.
I
These
might
are all.
cook it.
This marketplace. And now is the game.
As you wish.
I wish you enjoy.
I'll try my
If
best.
anyone wants the game, I will give the link and you can download full. Thank you very much.